Okay, in this video we're going to show you exactly what you get with this USB-C hub with a 17cm or 19cm long cable, depending on where you measure it on from and whether or not you include the plug at the end. It's made of a nice kind of metal alloy there. It's got 4 ports here. They are all blue, but 3 of them are USB 2. That's not a good start, not a good sign. Usually when somebody colours it in blue when it's not USB 3, they're trying to hide something. So that's not good. If they're not trying to hide something, they shouldn't be doing that. 1 USB 3 port, we will check the speed of that. You've also got an HDMI port there, power delivery there, and then HDMI again there at the end, just there. So 2 HDMI ports available there. Yeah, let's test those port speeds. So as you can see here, we're testing the USB 3.0 port speed. We're using an SSD, a 10 gigabits a second SSD, so there should be no bottleneck there. It's taken a long time to create the test file. That's not a good start. Well, it has eventually come to the test file, and I'm going to say that I actually accidentally plugged it into one of the USB 2 ports because they're coloured blue. So that's why we're getting USB 2 speeds here of just under 40 megabytes a second. Again, I'm not pleased with that deception. I think it's poor. Okay, so we're now testing the USB 3 port. We're expecting much higher speeds, around 460 megabytes a second. If this is a true USB 3 port, let's see what it gives us. Yeah, 464. So it is a USB 3 port. But again, it's a shame that they're colouring the other ones blue. There's no need for that. Okay, so we're now testing the power delivery port here, and a moment ago I just tested this cable in this power adapter here with a nice big display so you can see what's going on, and it was getting around about 17.7 watts coming through. This is getting 17.4 watts coming through, so that's pretty good, I would say. There's no issue there with that. It's absolutely fine. It's what you'd expect, to be perfectly honest. A little bit of degradation from adding this into the loop, but nothing to write home about. So it's working fine. The power delivery seems to be working pretty well, at least at around 18 watts.
I've been using this adapter for about 6 months now, and so I thought I would do a review. It's been working great. I use it mostly just to one side. I just have my HDMI for my monitor, and then my wireless mouse, and then also use it to charge my earbuds. And the other side has some different ports on there as well. I just don't use them. But this is, you can see my hand. That's about how big it is, or how long the cord is, and yeah, it just it works pretty well. And you can plug these in here real quick. Let's see. I've not had any issues with it at all. There. So, and as you can see, charges everything and plenty of power. So I would recommend it. It's a good little device.
0